world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series, Python machine learning on the edge. We are on lesson number 41 and I am going to show you few styles creating a line in MatPlotLib. There are several styles like dotted and lined and kind of thing. So in MatPlotLib, the Python library has got tons of features where you can modify those lines and play around with the visualization. So let me show you how it works. Let me log into my Jetson Nano and I'm going to show you a real-time example. All right, I am already logged in and this is my Visual Studio IDE. And what we need to do, let's import MatPlotLib.PyPlot, remember PyPlot, as PLT, okay, space, enter, and then import numpy as NP, space, enter, and then let's create an array. Let's create say y points equals numpy array, that is your NP array, in a square bracket, in a curvy bracket, and then a square bracket for the array. Okay, let's create any number, say 3, 8, 1 and 10. All right, once we create that, we need to plot, say plt dot plot and then what we need to plot in a round bracket, parenthesis, y points. Okay, there you go, it's showing in the drop down y points, comma, and then we need to use a function called linestyle. Okay, linestyle like this. So this is one of the inbuilt method in PyPlot. Okay, equal, now you can say in a code, say I want a dotted lines, say dotted, dotted. All right, now let's show plt dot show function to show the plot. That's it, as simple. I'm sure you guys are getting expertise on this. Now let's run Python file in terminal. Let me make it a little larger. All right, now let me right click, run Python file in terminal. There is no error, but I can see the plot behind the IDE. Let me just drag it here. Oops, I'm not able to drag it. This is kind of weird behavior. It's probably because of my screen, which I am using a larger size screen. There you go. Alright, so this is the plot which we created. Let's see if we can see the dotted lines. Oh yeah, there you go guys. So we can see a dotted line, which is pretty clear. So this is how you modify your line visualization, the way it has to look and appear, using a style called linestyle. Okay, now let me close it and let's use something else. Now let's say we want to use, instead of dotted, let's say dashed style. Now let's see what happens. Run Python file in terminal and the graph is hiding behind. Let me just drag him here. There you go, I can see absolutely a great dashed lines. Can you see that guys behind me? There you go. So instead of a dot, there is a dash. So guys, like this you can keep modifying with styles, and there are about, I think if I'm not wrong, about 33 different types of styles which are inbuilt in PyPlot. Okay, you can just call for those styles using y points comma line style equal to, in a single quote you can put dotted, dashed, round, triangle, minus, and all those things, right? You can give a try. Alright guys, now it's time you guys play around with this. By the time you get hands on to this particular lesson, I am going to publish one more lesson on this soon. Bye bye, until then, see you.